In this video, I'll show you how to find your USDT deposit address in the Binance app so you can receive USDT without guessing. Open Binance, tap Portfolio, or Wallets, in the bottom right, then hit Deposit and choose Crypto. Search for USDT and select it. Binance will ask you to choose a network. This part matters because the sender must use the exact same network, or your funds can be lost or require a complicated recovery. Pick the network that matches where the USDT is coming from, for example, Tron/TRC20, Ethereum/ERC20, or BNB Smart Chain/BEP20, then Binance will display a QR code and your deposit address. Copy the address and share it with the sender, or let them scan the QR code. Before sending a large amount, do a small test transfer, and always double-check the network name and the first and last characters of the address. Subscribe for more quick Binance tips that keep your crypto transfers safe.